Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Cherry here from Homilychart. Welcome to today our talk. Today we mainly learn multi-color dragon. The shortcut is MCD, not MACD, not MACD. It's MCD, multi-color dragon. This indicator can help us to follow the big fish, follow the banker, follow the big fish. So first, let's look at some individual shares, and then you know how this indicator can help us and how it works. Okay. Help us and how it works. Okay. So first, let's look at this individual share. This one is PLTR. So for this one, yesterday, many friends know it rising more than 18%, big rise. But from this chart, you know why it rise. This is very important. And then we know we can make money, but we also make very clear. We know why we can make money and why we lose money, why the share can big rise or why it cannot move. So this is very important for retail investors. See, from this chart we see very clearly more than 50%, the bottom of this chart. Many new friends the first time see this indicator. The red bar here we can understand as the big fish, as the institutional money. So if the red bar, most part is red bar, so means the price will continue hit new high. Every time the short-term correction finish, pull back a bit, it will rise more and continue hit new high. So for this one, currently we should mind the previous high resistance around 33 and the previous high resistance. So if the red bar continue, it may break up the previous high resistance and continue hit new high. But if the red bar not continue increasing, the big money not flow in, it may have some pullback and the sideways at the high level resistance. Okay, so we just follow. This one is Tesla. Tesla also hit history new high already, and yesterday close is 641. So from this chart we see the share rising start from 35 around. The big fish come, the big fish build the position is around 35. Can you imagine? Only a few months it can rise to more than 600. 2,100% profits already, but seems not finished yet. You know why? So we see most part here, the bottom, most part still red bar. The red bar means big fish here, big fish here. So for this kind, the red bar continue rising and the price will have power to continue hit new high, even have some big drop, have some gap down, but the big money flow in, it will be very easy to cover the gap and continue hit new high. So for Homily members, many members hold till now still be very happy as we make money, make very clearly, and we know why our share can continue hit new high and we can continue make safe and sustainable profits. Okay, the same pattern. So we look at this one. This is MedTech. For the UG Healthcare, Top Glove, Riverstone, Supermax, MedTech, all these kind of shares, why it cannot continue hit new high? From April till August, this 4 months, it rise more than 1,000%, 100%, all rising so much already. But why it cannot continue hit new high? From the chart, we see very clearly, since August, the red bar break down purple line and also the purple line turn down. We see the red bar smaller, smaller and smaller. So the price will drop, small rebound, big drop, small rebound, big drop, and continue hit new low. And now still sideways around the rainbow yellow lines, and the red bar still smaller and below purple line. So even we have some rebound, but after the small rebound, pull back more. After small rebound, pull back further. After rebound, hit the resistance and pull back more. So if the close price cannot stand above the yellow line and the red bar not above 25%, 50%, the red bar not break up purple line, the purple line not turn up, so it will definitely no big rise. Okay, so for this one, the company may make money, make a lot of money, and also have some good news. But the thing is, if no big fish come, and then the price will no big rise. That's so simple. This one is SIA. For the airline shares, recently have a very good performance, like the BA and many other airline shares, all big rise and a big rebound. But for SIA, Singapore Airline, for this one, previously this rebound is very beautiful, but hit the white line. The white line can tell us bull or bear. Hit the white line, the biggest resistance level, and then pull back. Why cannot continue hit new high? The reason is here. The answer is here. We see the red bar, smaller, smaller, and smaller. 2 weeks already. The big fish, the institutional money continue flowing out. So the price will continue sideways here, sideways around the biggest resistance level, around $4.48. That's sideways here. So if the red bar continues smaller like the MEDEC, it will continue pull back. Even below all the lines will be support, but no big fish come and no big rise. See, if we follow the big fish here, many friends have the EPP or have the PC version. You just open your OPP and then you click right side the red bag and click MCD. We'll find this indicator. See, if we see someday the red bar break up purple line and the red bar rising, so it means the big fish, the institutional money come back again, and then the price will continue hit new high. This one is Xiaomi. For Asia market, especially for US market, this month, December, we have a lot of IPO new shares. The IPO one, see, if the pattern, the big fish here, and all we can consider, and even some relative new, just the IPO a few weeks, a few months, even less than 1 year, all this very beautiful pattern. So if the big fish here, most part is red bar, and the price will continue hit new high. This is Xiaomi, and also Homilychart members hold and make a lot of money already. You see every wave, big rise, after correction come again, after correction come again. Now even previously dropped a lot here, but this week the red bar rising, and we see the money come, the big money flow in, so the price nearly hit the previous resistance already, previous high. So if the red bar continue rising, especially when the green bar disappear, later we will see the green bar means you, me, most of us, we are retail money, retail investor. So if the retail investor can disappear, not actually disappear, just the percentage is too small. So from this chart is no green bar. So if no green bar means all profit chips and all floating chips, so the price rising will be no resistance. It will be very easy to continue hit new high and continue rising. We have more space to go. Okay, so for any share, if we see most part is red bar, and then congratulations, definitely we will make money and big money. But if most part is green bar, we will definitely lose money as it will continue hit new low. This is another Singapore share. Many friends say Singapore too small, the market too small, not so many good shares to consider, but not really. If we can filter, we just filter the red bar more than 50% or the red bar more than 25%, so it means the big fish here, and then we have many like this pattern, like the Sembcorp industry, micro mechanic, and union gas. All this pattern, we have a lot to consider. See, the price above all the rainbow lines, so means short-term, mid-term, long-term all got support, and more than 50% is red bar, the big fish here. So for this kind, it will continue hit new high, pull back and continue hit new high. Recently, the market is very volatile, and many friends don't understand. Just ask, why so big rise and continue hit new high, or why no move and why big drop? So if we have this indicator, all the answers we can answer ourselves. We just follow the big fish. Big fish come, price rise. Big fish flowing out, price pull back. That's so easy. This one is OYY, also Singapore share. See the same pattern and very regular. After rise, some correction, rise again, sideways correction, rise, correction, very regular. So for this kind of share, usually it is controlled by the institutional money. As for retail investor, usually don't have such power to make the pattern so beautiful, so regular. So we just take this kind of strong shares in our watch list and to monitor, to follow. And every time the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, so we can continue to add position, to buy, to consider. But one important question is, the most important thing is, we know how to buy, but also we should know how to sell, how to protect our capital. You see here, we have this green line. This green line means lifeline. Every share, just like every one of us, it also have its life, have its pattern, have its characteristic. See, if the price above the green line, so means the share have life. Have life means after some rest, it will continue hit new high. After some correction, it will continue rising. So as long as the price above the green line and the most part is red bar, for retail investor, we will be very safe. Once the price break down the green line, and then we can decrease position, can sell half or even sell all after first. Okay, so does not mean the strong shares we bought we can hold forever, not like this. If the big fish flowing out, the red bar break down purple line, for short term we can take profits already. But if the red bar break down 50%, the price break down the green lifeline, we better out, wait for next chance. Okay, so for most friends, we don't know how to sell. This is the big reason why we cannot make safe and sustainable profits. We make money, but the price big drop, we go back to the market again. So if we know the big fish flowing out, and for retail investor, it will be very easy to sell at the high level. So definitely we will not lose big money. Don't say be locked here. Okay? So now the market is the same market and the period is the same time, but our profits is great difference. You know, in stock market, here is a rules is 7 to 2 to 1. Means if 10 retail investors play shares, 70% will lose big money. 20% will make pocket money or lose small money, and only 10% really make big and sustainable profits. So every one of us here, we want to be the 10%, and the purpose, the aim, we open account, we do stock investment also to make safe and sustainable profits. So how? And here for all friends, you can write down this sentence: index first, stock next. Long term first, short term next, and also operate the familiar. This is Homilychart 22 years investment philosophy. This philosophy helps thousands and hundreds of retail investors in the stock market. So every time before we trade, before we do the investment, we look at the global index first. Now, even the US market, the Dow Jones, SPX, Nasdaq, the three indexes continue hit new high, but we should mind market turning point coming already. So it may have some correction, some pullback. Say December 21st will be another turning point. So this month we should mind these two turning points. The first one is yesterday, and another one is December 21st. So index first, stock next. If we check the index is okay, and then we find the sector, the strong sector, like currently the EV, electric vehicles. This sector is very hot, like the Tesla, NIO, Xiaopeng, Li Auto. All these belong to electric vehicle sectors. And another one is the airline sectors, energy relating the airlines, and also many other sectors. So the sectors is moving, our choice also should moving, following the big fish movement. So this is the first philosophy: index first, stock next. And the second one is long-term first, short-term next. Means if the trend is okay, the big fish here, no need buy sell trade very frequently, and no need do the intraday trading. Long-term first, and then make big money. If long-term no chance, and then we can consider the mid-term or short-term. And the last philosophy is operate the familiar. Means if we are very familiar with some market, some individual shares or some pattern, we just focus on this same kind and just repeat. So our profits will accumulate always. So this is our philosophy. Yeah? And here is a multi-color dragon. Can help us to follow the big fish. So why called multi-color dragon? As this indicator is composed of different colors, the bars and the lines. Even we don't know how to calculate, and we don't know the formula. We don't go to master, go to bachelor, go to diploma. Also no problem if we can see the color, and then we know how to use this indicator to follow the big fish. So you see here, the yellow bar means hot money. Hot money is buy, sell, trade very frequently. Hot money. Usually they trade according based on the seconds. This second buy, next second sell. Okay. The yellow bar is floating chips. For better understanding, we understand it as hot money. The green bar is locked chips, means somebody buy it at a high level and then the price drop, we locked at the high level, so locked chips. For better understanding, we take it as retail money. The red bar here is floating chips. We bought at a very low level and the price rising, we make money. So this chips is profitable chips. Profit chips. For better understanding, we take it as institutional money. institutional money. And this purple line means the 10-day moving average of the institutional money of the big fish, the moving average. So we see if the purple line turn up, it means the big money continue flow in, so the price will help power to continue hit new high. If the purple line turn down, means the big money continue flowing out, so the price no power to rise. It will sideways or continue pull back. So here is the chart in the multicolored dragon in the chart, candlestick chart. We compared why every wave the price can big rise, why sometimes it will sideways, and why sometimes it will big drop. So you see, this is the answer here. The answer here. If most part is red bar, so means the big money flow in, the big money play here, the price will continue hit new high, continue rising, and it will beyond your imagine how far it will go. Even rise 100%, 1000%, if big fish here, it will continue. But if most part is yellow bar, the yellow bar means hot money play, buy sell, so the price up down, no big rise and also no big drop, just sleeping here in the box. So this kind we only can buy low sell high, no big profit. Can make some coffee money, pocket money is okay. But if most parties is green bar, the green bar means locked chips, retail money, retail investor. So if most parties green bar, the price will big drop, small rebound, big drop, and nobody knows how low it will go. Just like in Singapore, we have many shares, the SPH, the submarine, a lot of this kind of shares drop nearly 10 years already. From more than $3, now it's only 10 cents, but not finished yet. If the green bar still here, all retail investors split here, it will continue hit new high. No matter how many years we hold, it will continue hit new low, and nobody knows how low it will go. So this is the importance of multicolored dragon and how it can help us to make big money. So here is very important. We can check the chart here on the left side. If the red bar below 25%, so it means the banker just testing. They just began to collect the chips, just testing, not build a position yet. So if the banker not build a position, the price will no big rise. Small rise, testing, if too many retail investors to follow, they will pull back again. If the banker want to shake the retail investors out of the market, it have two ways. One way is like here, long-term sideways. 1 month, 2 months, no moving. And one way is short-term big drop. 2 days, 5 days, it drop 30%, 20%. So for most of the retail investors, they will very scared and will be shaked out of the market. But after you sell, the chips will be collected by the banker, and they build a position, and after that, the price big rise. Okay, so if the red bar can reach to 25%, and the green bar smaller or disappear, so means the banker began to build a position, and the price will big rise. So here, for retail investor, this is our best time to enter. The price is relatively low but very safe, and after we bought, it will continue hit new high, continue rising, so you will be very happy. And if the red bar can reach to 50%, 50 means the banker build the position already. So once the banker build the position, means the price will continue hit new high and continue hit new high. So nobody knows how far it will go. If big fish here, the big money continue flow in, the price will have power to continue rising. And if the red bar more than 75%, so it means the banker can control the share. Most of the chips is in banker's hand. So for this kind, it will rock it up. But for retail investor, one way you dare not to buy, like this one, from 40 cents it rise to $4.80 already, more than 1,000%. Most retail investors just think it's too high, dare not to buy. And another thing, even you want to buy, as the chips most of the chips is in banker's hand, and you cannot buy as nobody sell. The banker hold the share and make it continue hit new high, continue rock it up. They make money. And then for retail investor, most retail investors cannot make this chance. But if we learned how the banker operates, how the banker moves, and also we have this chart, we have this indicator, we just follow the banker movement. Even the banker, you see, shake many times, but every time after the correction finish, the red bar break up purple line again. The red bar break up purple line again. It will be our another chance to add position or to buy. So we just follow the big fish. Every chance, big chance, we will catch. Okay, so many friends may ask, like Singapore, Malaysia, we have 100 shares. Like Hong Kong have 1,000 shares. Like US, we have more than 10,000 shares. How to filter? We cannot search one by one, right? So here in the system, we just click the market and the language. We choose the market here. See, if you want to filter to scan the Singapore market, Malaysia market, Hong Kong market, even Thailand market, Indonesia, and Korea, and America, New York, Nasdaq, and Canada, all the countries, we just click the country. In the mobile app, we also can check the precious metal, gold, silver, even the forex, all can. You just click the right above at the home page. Right above, you click the flag and then can change the market. See, we choose the market and then we go to the hourglass. Here, click the technical filter and then we choose the program. Just click filter. The system will scan automatically for us. See, we choose the technical filter and then we choose here multicolor dragon 50. 50 means the banker build the position already. The red bar reached to 50%. So we just click filter and all the shares it will scan automatically for us. So it will be very easy and very helpful to help us to pick the strong shares. So now it's our time to do the stock diagnosis. See if you have any shares in hand or any shares you are interested, you want to enter but don't know whether should buy or not. You can list your stock with the stock name or code number and also with the entry price. You do short term or mid long term, so we can use the chart to make analysis and the decision making together. So you just learn how to make analysis. And then all the markets, all the shares, you can do yourself. It will be very easy. First, we look at the index, just like the Hong Kong market. I use the Hong Kong market. Take Hong Kong market for example, we do the filter. The first one is Xinyi. Xinyi is very strong. It got 4 shares. 4 shares. Xinyi Glass, Xinyi Solar, Xinyi Energy, and another one totally have 4. all very strong. So you see the pattern, very strong. The big fish just come, the price just break up. It's around $8.80. And now the price already 18 cents. 18 cents. And another one like this. This. Beautiful, right? But this one cannot chase. If half, we should mind decrease position, or once cannot hit new high, we consider take profit. But if don't have, not chase high. As for any share, after big rise, it will definitely pull back, have some correction. But after big drop, and usually it will rise again, rebound again, and also we follow the big fish here. So in Hong Kong market, we have a lot of this kind of shares. Only 2 days, 3 days, 32%, very strong. But this one cannot chase high, cannot chase high. See, now we look at the Dow Jones. This chart is Dow Jones chart. From this chart, we see currently the red bar nearly flat, and also the purple line is flat. Even the price hit new high, and yesterday pulled back, but the red bar not rising. The red bar not rising, so it means have some top deviation. For SIF rising should be like this. The price continue hit new high, and also the red bar continue hit new high. This is the normal rise. But for this kind, the price here hit new high rising, but the red bar is flat. Red bar flat, so a bit top deviation, Dow Jones. And SPX also the same. The price continue hit new high, hit the history new high, and the red bar a bit rising, but yesterday pull back a bit. So for this one, not so obvious top deviation, but also a bit. We see the price higher and higher, but the red bar is flat, a bit lower, also top deviation. After top deviation, usually the market will have some pullback. And then we see the Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq very beautiful, right? Very beautiful, and also the technology shares big rise. So the price continue hit new high, and the red bar here also not. So here is beginning of September, and here is end of November. So here 3 months, the price just sideways here, buy low, sell high, but now break up. Break up means it have more space to go. If the red bar continue rising and the money continue flowing, we have more space to go. So we look at some shares, and this one is Apple. For Apple, we see this chart. This level, the white box, it will be support level, but the pink box will be resistance. And also in the past 3 months, the price just sideways move inside these two levels, hit the white line support, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. The white line support, but the pink line resistance. And now we also should mind it's 125.9, nearly 126. We should mind 126, the resistance level. If we can break up the previous high is 170. 137, it may have more space to go, but if not, it will continue sideways here until choose direction. But here we see the red bar increasing, but the green bar still not disappear. Green bar not disappear, so no big rise. Okay, so this is the US 3 indexes. We see the Singapore market. Singapore STI index first, stock next. So this is the Singapore market. Singapore market 2860, it will be very important resisting level, but this one only one day break up and the other day pull back again, so means not effectively break up. We see break up or break down. If effectively break up or break down, it means three rules. One rule is the close price can stand above this level for 3 days. Another is 3%. If can mean anyone, means this break up or break down is effective, like the STI, so still sideways around this resisting level. Why it cannot break up? We see lower the red bar below purple line, and the purple line turn down. So if the big money not flow in and the price no big rise, the red bar smaller and smaller, the purple line turn down, so the price, the candlestick will continue sideways here. And for KLCI, it is a very strong and a very good signal, as Malaysia market many years resisting break up already, nearly break up, still early to see, still need to confirm. 1615, this level will be the biggest resisting level. So if this level can effectively break up, it may big rise. But if cannot break up or false signal, see break up but very quickly back again, still cannot. This is the KLCI. So from this chart we see if the price can stand above 1615 and the red bar continue rising, we may have the more space to go to continue hit new high and even run much more. But from this chart we see, we just follow. See, whenever the red bar break down purple line or the price break down 1615, means it will pull back and go to the sideways movement again. But if we can stand above 1615, we have more space and many individual shares also very strong. KLCI and the Hong Kong market. But this one we should see for friends who do Malaysia market, we see the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart movement, and here is 2018 April, and till now we see is a downtrend, move in the downtrend, small rebound, pull back more, and March this year, 2020 March, and big rise till July, and have some pullback again, November till now, big rise. So for this one, we can use the Fibonacci rule. We click here, and this line means 7 weeks later. See, above is +7. So means 7 days, 7 weeks. Now it's a weekly chart. Weekly chart means one candlestick stand for 1 week. So 7 weeks later, For Malaysian market, it will be a big turning point. That's around January and in 7 weeks. For Malaysian market, it will be the turning point. See, if continue rising, and then we should mind the top alert at January end, the market may turn down or turn to sideways. Okay, so this is Malaysian market. And we go back to daily chart. For Hong Kong market still not break up this resistance. This is the support level, resistance level. So inside these two lines, we can consider buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Not nearly pull back. Why? So you see the purple line. The purple line a bit turn down, the red bar below purple line. So means this resistance still works, not break up yet. For Shanghai index, China A-share, Shanghai index, and also 4 months already, 5 months already from July 10th, now it's December 8th. So 5 months already, just move inside these two levels. Support level is 3,200, resistance is 3,455. So inside these two levels, we can consider buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, do the wave trading. No big chance yet. Wait for break up, and then we have more space to go. So this is the indexes, and then we look at the individual shares. Some friends say ST Engineering. So we look at this one. So for this one, based on the Homilychart, we see this big drop finished, and the big fish come, the red bar here began to collect the chips, began to testing, and the price didn't hit new low. Here is around $2.80. So $2.80 we can consider to catch bottom. And the first wave hit the yellow line pullback, and then hit the blue line pullback, hit the white line pullback. So these lines can tell us different period support and resistance. The white line means bull and bear, long-term resistance, and the blue line is mid-long-term. The yellow line is mid-short-term. So if the price can stand above all the rainbow lines, here we call that horse boy. After that horse boy, it have more space to go. So here the price is around $3.50. $3.50 have some pullback, hit the white line, got support. It will be another chance to enter. Also around $3.50. And here around the previous high resistance, the previous high is around $4.20. See, hit the resistance level, cannot hit new high, cannot break up, so it will pull back. But why it cannot break up the resistance and continue hit new high? So we see the red bar break down purple line, and also the purple line turn down, the big fish flowing out. So for short-term investment, for short-term trading, if we do the short-term trading 6 to 10 days, whenever the red bar break down purple line, we can consider take profits already. So big drop have nothing to do with us. And also, if 3 days cannot hit new high, also we can consider take profit. See, currently the red bar below purple line, the purple line turning down, the big money flowing out. So if the big money continue flowing out, the price will continue correction, continue pullback. Mastermind here, the green line. This green line is the lifeline. If the price stand above the green line, it's still okay, but if break down, no good. So this is for the wave trading. But if for mid-long-term investment, we can follow the yellow line. If price can stand above the yellow line, and we can just hold and wait and see. But once break down yellow line, time to take profit. Okay, so different period we follow different color lines, and the big fish here, see the red bar about 50%, the price above yellow line, we can still wait and see. But once the red bar breaks down 50%, means the banker out already, and the price break down yellow line, it's time to take profit. Okay, so this is our sharing today, and if we have any more shares to want to check, we can also send to our teachers, and the teacher will help you do the one-to-one coaching or help you do the analysis, do the learning. Okay, so today we will finish here, and see you next time. Good